The motivation behind the idea that mindset is everything stems from the belief that one's attitude, perspective, and mental state plays a crucial role in determining their success, happiness, and overall well-being. Here are some key reasons why mindset is considered essential. Achievement and success. A positive mindset, characterized by optimism, perseverance, and a belief in one's abilities, can greatly enhance the chances of achieving goals and overcoming obstacles. It helps individuals stay focused, maintain resilience in the face of setbacks, and develop a growth-oriented approach that fosters continuous learning and improvement. Emotional well-being. Mindset significantly influences one's emotional well-being and mental health. A positive mindset promotes self-confidence, reduces stress, and helps individuals cope better with challenges. It allows people to reframe negative situations, find opportunities for growth, and maintain a more balanced and optimistic outlook on life. Personal relationships. Mindset affects how individuals interact with others and build relationships. A growth mindset, which emphasizes learning, empathy, and understanding, can lead to more positive and harmonious connections with friends, family, colleagues, and romantic partners. It fosters open-mindedness, adaptability, and a willingness to communicate and resolve conflicts effectively. Resilience and adaptability. Life is full of uncertainties, setbacks, and unexpected changes. A resilient mindset helps individuals bounce back from failures, cope with adversity, and adapt to new circumstances. By viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than insurmountable obstacles, individuals can develop greater resilience and navigate through difficult times with greater ease. Personal development. Mindset is closely linked to personal development and continuous learning. A growth mindset encourages individuals to embrace new experiences, seek knowledge, and expand their skills and capabilities. It promotes a belief in one's potential for growth, encouraging individuals to set challenging goals and strive for self-improvement.